Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to join WhatsApp group. So if you are using WhatsApp and haven't joined any group or haven't got any invitation to join a group or don't know how to join WhatsApp group, then this video is for you. I hope this video finds you. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp application, and once you are inside the WhatsApp application, to join a WhatsApp group, you will need a invitation or any other person have to add you to the group to be a member of any group on WhatsApp. Like for example, here I've got a invitation to join a group and simply tapping on view group option, and once is done, I'm successfully added to that WhatsApp group. So that is how easily you can join WhatsApp group. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.